Leo from Techman, Automechanika, back after 4 years. How's it been?
Been amazing. We've seen lots of existing customers, lots of new customers. We've got some fantastic new features to be showing people, and it's great to be back out in the field.
Tell us about the new features.
So we've got some integrations with Book My Garage. We've got some new integrations with Who Can Fix My Car, and it's a great way to showcase the new integrations with people that haven't seen them.
And of course, there's a lot of enthusiasm in the industry at the moment for many reasons. One being that we've all been away from each other for 4 years with the pandemic. And of course, also, there's massive change going on in the industry all over the place, isn't there?
There is, all the time, yeah. So it's great to get out and see people, yeah. So it's interesting to hear their stories, what's been happening during the pandemic. And yeah, it was great to see people again.
Bit of a catch-up really with your clients and bringing potential new ones on.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
And where are you seeing people use your system the most at the moment? Where's the growth area in the system itself?
So independence is our market, if you like. We're educating people that haven't got systems, people that have got systems that don't do what they want them to do anymore. So it's a mix of all sorts, really.
And do you find that 4 years away has kind of set people back in the software, that they now need to improve the software?
I don't think so, no. I think that time away has made people look at their business more, and they're now looking at ways they can improve and get more time and efficiencies and productivity out of their business because of the pandemic, basically. So it's a great time to look at software like ours and make the business more efficient, if that makes sense.
And of course, that's what you're about, isn't it? Saving people time.
Exactly that, yeah. Reducing admin, more visibility on what's going on in the workshop, an easier way to measure what they're doing, and we provide all of those tools for them to be able to do that.
And that, at the end of the day, provides the customer a better experience because they're more up to date with what's going on.
Hopefully so, yeah. The garage is more efficient, customers get a better experience, everyone's making a bit more money, so it should be a win-win for everybody, really.